Welcome back to Blackbeard Crypto. Wanted to give you the update on the repair that I had with Great Voyage repair service out in New Hampshire. So I sent them the miner. It was an S17 Pro 53 terahash. Had some problems with the heat sinks, of course. One of the chips came off attached to the heat sink. So at that point, I thought it was pretty much done. But sent it right on out to them. They got it on the December 27th. And then I got it back on the 2nd of February. And it's fixed. So I got it back on Wednesday, went ahead and set it up immediately. So as soon as I got it, I set it right on back up in the farm and got it going. So as soon as it started running, it was right where it was supposed to be. The temp sensor error is not hitting anymore, so that's definitely a good thing. They got the heat sinks on there correctly. That chip, it sounds like, they had to replace 5 chips. And just to give you a heads up on the price, it's $210 per board. I had one board that I had repaired. And as long as it's under 5 chips that they're repairing, then it stays at that $210. If it's more than that with chips, then of course the price goes up. But luckily mine was exactly 5 chips that they replaced, put a couple heat sinks on, and charged me $210. So the miner was down for a month, got it back, and it's been running for the last 4 days now. If I look over here, we're averaging 53.22. So right where we're supposed to be running on normal. Now I haven't jumped in and put it in high performance or low performance, anything like that. So it's running right now fine, and the way I look at it, if something's running fine, I don't mess with it. I just let it go ahead and roll. So right now it's rolling good, and I'm very happy about that because that's one miner that I definitely like right there. It's a little pounder. It's always done a good job, and I want to continually have it do a good job for at least another 2 years. And then go ahead and see what we're gonna do at that point. But as far as they went, the customer service, they were excellent. I replied to them after about 2 weeks, just asked for an update. They sent me a thing saying probably be another week before the technician got to my machine. But they did send me an email as soon as they were done working on it. So we got it working, we're gonna test it for a day, and then we'll get back to you. So they went ahead and tested it. Everything worked like a champ, and they sent it right on back to me. Now the only complaint I have with them is they didn't send me the tracking number. And the miner showed up, and it was the day that I was actually gonna email and be like, hey, we got a tracking number yet? You know, I went ahead and paid you guys, you know, a week ago, where's it at? Showed up that day, but I wasn't here. So FedEx had to bring it back the next day. But that was the only complaint I had with them, man, and that was probably just an oversight is all that was. Cause I mean, they're probably swamped, I imagine. But as far as the service goes, I mean, good service. They fixed it. That's the main thing right there. I don't give a shit about too much else, but as long as they fixed it. And they did a great job. So if you have any questions about them, definitely throw them in the comments. I'll definitely answer them. But if you're looking for a repair, hit them up, see what they have to say. I found them on eBay. You can always go to their website as well. It's Great Voyager Antminer Repair. They specialize in, you know, out of warranty repairs for you. And the price, like I said, is really not that bad. You know, $200 a board to get your board running. If you can't get it running yourself, you know, I'll eat that $200. That's not a problem. But if you guys have any questions about it, definitely let me know. But as far as I'm concerned, Great Voyage, good company, good communication going back and forth. And like I said, the only complaint I've got is I didn't receive a tracking number. That's the only thing. Other than that, great service, great repair. Guys did an excellent job. Definitely will use them again if I need to. And just remember to like and subscribe, guys, if you like the content. And if, like I said, if you got any questions, definitely let me know. But right now, give an A+ to Great Voyager. You guys have a wonderful day and enjoy your weekend. Blackbeard out. Be blessed, y'all.